we made this. Sam Johnson's reviews. Sam Johnson's how-tos. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, are you absolutely sick and tired of getting online and trying to find out where the best place is to find soundproofing, and then immediately getting smacked in the face with this wall right here, $700 just to cover something like that? It's ridiculous. There are other options, ladies and gentlemen, and me, Sam Johnson, here to tell you, get on Facebook Marketplace, and all you gotta do is just search moving blankets. These are all moving blankets right here, okay? I am going to show you how I made this. Not only did it cost around $60, but it also took less than 20 minutes to put together. Here's two of them right here. You can take them, you can mount them. Now let's get to it. How did I make it? Go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Subscribe, comment, hit the smash the like button? Did I say that?
Yeah.
Okay, smash the like button.
The bell.
Yeah, ring the bell. So, how I'm going to tell you, starting off, now that you have the materials, we'll assume that you went to the description below and then bought the moving blankets. You ran to Home Depot or Lowe's or your local hardware store and picked up the wood. These are cut to 56 inches. You need two 56-inch, and these are right here. They're what? I don't know, 3x1s or something?
Yeah.
Smack those down. 3 of the 33-inch. Okay? You got one there, you got one here, one here. You need nails. These are nails. Nails? Nails. You've seen them before. These are only about, I don't know, 1.5 inches maybe? Inch? These right here, we'll get to them. Bring it in a little close here. Why is it so difficult?
I don't know. Maybe you should grab a friend who knows how to hammer a nail if you're doing this project.
This is where we time lapse it. So, ready and time lapse. We put 2 in right there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. So then after that, what you're going to do is make sure all 3 of these. Don't do any more than 3. It's pretty thick with 3 of them. But basically, what you're going to do is line it up. Make sure it looks all neat. So then after you make your frame, what you're going to do is you're going to stretch this moving blanket over it. And you're going to use little wire nails. You see how it has that white deal right there? Like I said at the beginning, is that you can use, or maybe I cut that part at the beginning and then I just say it right here, is that you can use roofing nails and it should work just fine. These I think would probably work better though because there are 2 and it's thick. It's real thick. So now we're going to time lapse this portion right now. Okay, so we just nailed in all of these, right? And we were just talking about how, like, it's not just affordable, but it also doesn't take very long. That took us, what, 10 minutes?
At most.
10 minutes, yeah. 10 minutes to do this part, like 5 minutes to do the last, like 10 minutes. Like, look at that. Take this, you can mount it anywhere you want. And it's just sound deadening. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm willing to make more. It's just you have to like it. You have to smash that, right? Smash it?
Yeah, punch it in the face.
Punch it physically in the face, and then take that bell and ring it. This concludes another Sam Johnson something. Did I miss anything?
I don't believe so.
Okay. Goodbye.
Sam Johnson.
Smash that like button, punch it as hard as you can.
Physically assault it.
Physically is within, you know, consensually physically assault the like button.
Consensually physically assault.